Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss problems on vectors. These are the problems given in previous different competitive examinations like IIT, NEET and some other competitive examinations. Okay, let us solve the problems. Right, the first problem is show that vector A is equal to I minus j plus 2k is parallel to vector b is equal to 3i minus 3j plus 6k. This is the question. We need to show these two vectors are parallel, means A is parallel to B. Okay, so what is the condition? If two vectors are parallel, their cross product should be equal to 0. This is the condition. What do we have? Okay, if A is parallel to B, their cross product should be equal to 0. Yeah, let us solve that. That is equal to modulus of I, j, k, A cross B. So first A, 1 minus 1, 2. B, 3 minus 3, 6. Okay, that is equal to I of minus 6 plus 6. Okay, minus j of 6 minus 6 plus k of minus 3 plus 3. Okay, what is the value? 0. Yes, so that we can say that A is parallel to B. Understood? Right. Coming to second question. What is the second question? Second question is show that vectors A bar is equal to 3i minus 2j plus k and B, vector B is I minus 3j plus 5k and another vector C is equal to 2i plus j minus 4k form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the question. We need to show that whether they can form a right angle triangle or not. Okay, first let us see they form a triangle or not. They form a triangle or not. First let us see that. After that we can see whether they form right angle triangle or not. Okay, now see, to form a triangle the basic condition is sum of the two vectors. Sum of any two vectors, okay, should be equal to third vector. Should be equal to third vector. That means let us take which you feel big vector here, 3i, I, 2i. So A is bigger one. Then A should be equal to B plus C. If this condition satisfies, then these three vectors form a triangle. Okay, now let us see is it true or not. B, I plus I, how much? 3i minus 3j plus j minus 2j, 5k minus 4k, that is plus k. So is it A bar or not? So that the first condition is satisfied. They form a triangle. Okay, now this is vector A, vector B and vector C. Let us take A, B, C. Okay, now do they form right angle triangle or not? How to check? So if they form right angle triangle, A should be perpendicular to C. Okay, now let us see, when two vectors are perpendicular their dot product should be equal to 0. Okay, now let us see A dot B, A dot C is 0 or not. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, minus into plus minus, 2 1s are 2. Next plus into minus minus, 4 1s are 4. What is the value? 6 minus 6, that is 0. So A is perpendicular to C. Therefore vectors A, B, C can form right angle triangle. Understood? In this way one can verify the given vectors can form triangle. If they form, are they right angle triangle or not? Okay, now next third question, let us see that it is also very important one. Now I am doing here, that is third one. modulus of A dot B is equal to modulus of A cross B. Then find the angle between vector A and B. Understood? So modulus of A dot B is given equal to modulus of A cross B. Then what is the angle between A and B? That is the question. Now let us see. This is magnitude of A dot B. What is the formula of magnitude of A dot B? Let us take the angle between the two vectors is theta. Then it can be written as A into B into cos theta. Okay, that is equal to magnitude of A cross B. What is the formula? A into B into sin theta. A cross B is A into B into sin theta into n cap. But he is asking only magnitude. So AB sin theta. Now AB gets cancelled. Then we can write this as a tan theta is equal to 1. When tan theta is 1, when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. When A dot B is equal to mod A cross B, then what is the angle between A and B? That is 45 degrees. Clear? Right. Now let us see next problem. So that is find the resultant of three vectors. The fourth question is this. Find the resultant of three vectors. Okay, they are OA, OB and OC shown in the figure. Now it is given that radius of the circle is R. Okay, this is the question. So and figure is given in this way. This is a circle, this is vector OA and this is vector OB and this is vector OC, and the angle is 45, this also 45. What we need to find? The resultant of these three vectors we need to calculate. So first you calculate resultant of vector OA and OC. When you calculate the resultant of these two vectors, it will be in the direction of OC. Yes or no? Because the magnitudes are same. What is the magnitude of OA? R. What is the magnitude of OC? R. And the angle between them is 90 degrees. So that it bisects, the resultant bisects the OC and OA angle. That is 45, 45. So that the resultant of OA and OC lies on, so I am writing OA plus OC vector lies on OB vector, means along the OB vector. So that first you calculate OA plus OC. OA plus OC. That is how A plus B. Okay, two vectors A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. That is root over A square. OA square means magnitude is R square plus R square plus what is the angle between two vectors? OA and OC, 90 degrees. Okay, so 2 into R into cos 90. We know cos 90 value. How much? 0. So this value will be 0. Then this is root 2R square, or you can write this as R root 2. Okay, now this is the resultant of OA and OC. This R root 2 will be along OB, no doubt in that. Now what is the resultant? Final resultant, final vector is OB plus R root 2. Both are in the same direction. So this magnitude is R plus R root 2. Okay, then how much is this? If you take common R, that is 1 plus root 2. This is the sum of the three given vectors. Clear? Right. This is also previous competitive examination question. Now fifth question, that is write the unit vector in the direction of vector A is given as 5i plus j minus 2k. So it's very simple. We need to calculate unit vector in the direction of A. What is the unit vector in the direction of A? That is A cap is equal to A by mod A. That's it. Okay, then A is how much, Nana? 5i plus j minus 2k by magnitude of A. So that is 25 plus 1 plus 4. So it can be written as 5i plus j minus 2k by root over how much? 30. Okay, this is the unit vector in the direction of the given vector. Clear? Yeah, very good. Next, let us see sixth question. That is modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Okay, then what is the angle between two vectors A and B? What is given? Modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A minus B. And now let us see that what is modulus of A plus B formula? A square root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So I am writing that A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, that is equal to what is A minus B? Root over A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Okay, squaring on both the sides, roots gets cancelled, and this is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, that is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Okay, na sir? Now A square gets cancelled, B square gets cancelled. If AB 2AB comes this side, this is 4AB cos theta is 0. Therefore cos theta is 0 when it is possible, when theta is equal to, very good, 90 degrees. That means both the vectors are perpendicular to each other. Got it? So in this way questions will be asked in the competitive examinations and one can solve easily. Okay, next question, see that seventh question. Let us see that question number 7. So the resultant of A plus B is equal to R1. Resultant of A plus B vector is given as R1. Okay, and on reversing the vector B bar, the resultant becomes R2, vector R2. Then what is the value of R1 square plus R2 square? This is the question, right, Nana? So there are two vectors. The resultant of A plus B is R1. When B is reversed, the resultant is R2. Means A plus B is equal to R1. Okay, this is the first result. Next, A minus B is equal to R2. Yes or no? Yes. Now A plus B is equal to R1. So what is the formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to R1 square, right? So A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta I can write as R1 square magnitude. A minus B, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta I can write as R2 square. Then I want to calculate R1 square plus R2 square. What is that? Let's cancel. Okay, then this is 2 of A square plus B square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. This is the result. Understood, Nana? Right, now let us see next question, question number 8. So that is the angle between vectors, angle between vectors I plus j and j plus k is how much? That is the question. So we need to calculate angle between two vectors. Let us take vector A as I plus j and vector B as j plus k. I want to calculate angle between them. Okay, here what is magnitude of A vector A? Root 2. What is magnitude of vector B? Root 2. Root 1 square plus 1 square. Root 1 square plus 1 square, right? Okay, now I am calculating A dot B. Okay, that is equal to mod A mod B cos theta, right Nana? So this theta I would like to calculate. Now A dot B, how much? I plus j dot j plus k is equal to root 2 into cos theta. I, there is no I, 0. J dot j, 1. K, okay. So 1 is equal to 2 into cos theta, as root 2 into root 2, 2. Then what is theta? Cos theta is 1 by 2. Therefore theta is how much? 60 degrees. Okay, na? So the angle between I plus j and j plus k is 60 degrees. Clear, Nana? Right. Now let us see another problem. That is question number 9. Question number 9. What is that? If modulus of A cross B is equal to root 3 times of A dot B. Okay. Then what is the value of modulus of A cross B? This is the question. Okay, all right, simply directly I am writing A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B formula is what? A into B into sin theta is equal to root 3 into A dot B, A into B into cos theta. Okay, now, and now AB gets cancelled. This is I can write tan theta is root 3. Then theta is, when tan value is root 3, that is equal to 60 degrees. Clear? Now I want to calculate A plus B, modulus of A plus B. That is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta root over. Okay, now, and now this can be written as that is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60 degrees. That is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60, how much? 1 by 2. Okay, let's cancel. Here root is there. So I'll be writing this as power 1 by 2. Then what is the answer? A square plus B square plus AB whole to the power 1 by 2. Very simple. Right, Nana? In this way you can solve the problems. Right? Next, let us see next problem. These are the problems given in previous different competitive examinations. I have collected these problems. Okay, so next, C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar and D bar is equal to B bar cross A bar. Okay, then what is the angle between vector C and vector D? Okay, so C is A cross B, D is B cross A. We know one thing, A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. Yes or no? Right? Then here vector C is equal to minus of vector D. That means both are in the anti-parallel. Therefore, what is the angle between them? 180 degrees. Very easy. Clear, sir? In this way, one can solve the problems based on vector addition, subtraction, multiplication. Clear? Right. This is today's class. So we shall meet in the next class. Before that, you subscribe my channel, okay, and share it to your friends. Clear? And I will provide a worksheet to this in the description of the video. There will be a link. Just you click that link so that you will be allowed to join in a Telegram channel. From that you can download the worksheet and solutions also. Very good. Thank you.